and you have point group, all groups, and then see here you can go for include exclude option, which means like we can able to have some point list here. What we can do means like we can go for create new point. For example, I will just go for right click, new. Okay, this is new na. What I will do means only I will go for pond. Okay, and pond I will go for some tree or something like that. Okay, I will go only for elevation only. Okay, now I am going for a include command. Include command with the numbers matching, with elevations matching, with the names matching, raw names matching, raw description. Okay, so raw description in the sense even little if it's having, it will filter. Okay, pond I am putting, then you can go to point. See only the pond points it will come. So like that you can able to include or exclude. So name in the sense exactly you need to mention the name. So mostly raw description it's better to filter. We can able to have a point, separate points. Okay, now I'm click apply and then okay. So we will get the point also here. Pond also there. It is just displaying on top of the. See, can able to see the pond separately coming. These are all the ponds. Okay. So what I will do in the sense like this way property. Go for property, all points, and you can make this. Now you can see clearly. See, can you able to see only the points here, ponds, pond points there.
So this is basically it's a copying only the point data into the separate point group, no?
Yeah.
It's not an if we are editing this pond points, it won't affect the other, no?
Yeah, it won't affect. Yeah.
Okay.
So
It's
like
a separate.
It's separate. So
it's not an interface with interact with the other points.
Other points. For example, yeah.
Okay.
That's why you can do the property. And
basically it's just a copy of the only pond points, and it's creating a separate. No.
See, when you're going down, no, the other points it will be the same. That's why it's separately we created that.
We are creating only pond as a separate.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah. And then I'm just going back. Like this, we can able to filter our points and we can create our own point groups. This is more important now for real-time projects.
Yeah. So basically there will be both. It's overwrite only. If you see, it will be overwrite on top of that.
Yeah, that's why we can go for that kind of overlays.
Yeah. That's why.
That too, if you want to see and work only with the pond points, what you can do is you can make everything go here, go for property, and you can go none. When you put none here, nothing it will be visible.
No, nothing is visible. So we can
like
see
that
only.
Also you can able to look. Yeah. So this is what like importing the points and then working with the points. Okay.
This option what you did is for only all point, but if you did it in 2410 what you have created, and if you switch off, it will switch off, no? Okay. If you do that property, and if you switch off that none you set now,
everything it will
here go. If you only pond will be visible.
Nothing it will be here. See, nothing is visible. Why? Because on top of everything.
You just move.
Property and
if
then
you
go
bring
to
this
point, then we can able to see the pond alone.
Okay. If we bring up only, it will.
See, we have two pond, one small pond and then one big pond. Okay.
So it's not related to the property what we are setting. It's basically if you toggle up and down, it will be off. Automatically it will set to off.
Yeah. It will be automatically. Only you need to have this one. Yeah.
Okay. If we bring down also it's like a primary, secondary, like that way it's acting. No?
Yeah. So then you can go to property and you can able to have see, now you need to remember what we have before.
That you have created one new.
But P1. Okay.
Yeah,
and then here also point elevation and point number. Yeah.
I think elevation it's fine. I think that's why your system is
slow. Yeah.
Too much of data.
Okay. Okay, now you understood, na? Like you people knowing this software before or only today you were learning?
No, I just heard and I searched for, not much aware.
Okay, so you are learning, na? You are on the progress. So today you have learned so many
Yes.
things.
We are learning.
Yeah, whenever like when we are learning something na, every day, we will feel very satisfied. It doesn't matter if we are getting something out of it or not. But if you're learning some new thing, na, then that satisfaction is very big satisfaction when comparing to any other satisfaction. Yeah. At the end of the day, we must be productive and then we must do some good things and then we can sleep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But regarding this software and all, while we continuously working and we are doing something only, we'll come to know the progress. If we
Yeah,
are,
yeah, yeah.
the learning, we have to do the task related to Civil 3D, whatever. If we are practicing daily or whatever, then only to.
Okay. So with this point only, we are going to create surfaces and everything. Okay. Okay. So you must be aware of all the topics with the points. Okay.
And one more suggestion from my end. If you share this this file, and if our people can work, practice this thing and inserting this
Okay.
thing,
Yeah,
then
yeah.
it will be satisfy, or if everyone will be okay. No?
Okay.
They are
Okay.
getting the same thing what you have got.
Yeah. Okay. So I
Better.
will.
I have a question also.
Yes, yes. Tell me.
If I only have CSV file, how I can convert to that file format?
Okay. CSV file also similar to Notepad file, na? Okay. Then you need to open that and then see it will be like this. See, I will go here and then this is like a text document.
Okay.
When you open this, na, like for example, I also having existing ground points and then EG surface. When I'm going to EG surface, it doesn't have description. It is having only point number each thing. Then you need to have something like that. And then you can import, you can go for PE and is that because here we don't have description. Okay. Only that if you have these files, you can go for. And apart from that, we also can go from here. Convert land desktop points and then some other things also there. There's lots of possibilities there. So we can able to have, we can directly import the surface files also if you have. Okay, all these things, right click and you can go for a XML file. Export land XML and import land XML, everything you can able to do. Okay. These things like when you're doing now, you will get to know like we can import this kind of files directly. Here also we have an insert option. In insert option, we have everything. All these possibilities is there in the software. Okay. This is what we are doing, point from file now. Okay. We can also go for land XML files. Okay. Some other input options. Okay. We can import in all possible manner. No need to worry about that.